I'm Mrs Hawkins. Welcome to Chester Community Sports College Design Technology Department. I'm going to start by showing you the workshop. So my cameraman is now going to show you round. The activity we're looking at today is looking at hazards and personal protective equipment. So to start with, I'm going to put my personal protective equipment on. I'm going to put on my apron because I'm in a workshop. And then I'm going to put on my safety glasses because if I was going to use any of the equipment in here, that is how I would need to be dressed. So now I'm ready to start. As you can see then, I've got my apron on because I was just about to start working on a machine. If we look at the symbol just above this machine, this symbol means that you need to be wearing safety glasses. So our aprons are always on to keep us clean and tidy, or to keep our clothing clean and tidy, and our goggles are on to protect our eyes. So another area of the workshop, I want to show you the tools that are behind me, or instead of your pens and paper that you possibly use in other lessons.